How to fix YouTube not showing comments. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for YouTube. Head over to the application. Right here, if you see the option of update, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue because your application is not up to date. In this case, simply tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Once the application has been updated, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the application YouTube. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to settings. Move into general at the very top. Scroll all the way down and right here you need to make sure that the option of this restricted mode is disabled. Now the next thing you want to do is once again go back to your profile. Head over to YouTube Studio at the bottom. It will land you on this page. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to settings. And then head over to comment notifications. Tap on all. So that's it, and this is all it takes in order to fix YouTube not showing comments. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the